Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove green screen from video in CapCut. If you have video to add on your main video and you don't know how, I have solutions. You just need video with any color, the best is green, but you can with any color, just follow my steps. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. First go on CapCut and add a video. Now follow my steps carefully, because this is important step. Go on Overlay. Then add Overlay. And select a video with green screen. I will add this man who talk, and download this video from Google. Now select the position of this man on main video. After that scroll to right to find cutout, and click on that. Then go on Chroma key. And move this circle on background of this video. Then tap on Intensity. And set intensity on level you remove background, in this case I need to set on 15. And when you finish, tap on this. End export video. So that is it for this video. If this video like you leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. Goodbye.